This Cosvalve water cooler dispenser 4EVER model might not be a top performer when it comes down to cooling water, but it does provide easy operation and a reliable hot water function. If you like a modern style appliance and don't really need very cold water, this is an option you can consider. This is a unit that suits anyone looking for a more modern water cooler, as it's equipped with a digital control panel, which is one of the impressive things about it. It also has several nice features, as you are going to see below. Functions. You get to dispense cold and hot water with this Cosvalve water cooler dispenser 4EVER model. The hot water is really hot, reaching up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough for preparing a cup of tea. The temperature is consistent every time you heat the water. The cold water doesn't come out very cold, as a majority of users noted. It's just cool, more like tap water in the morning. Regarding capacity, the heating element can give you up to 5 liters of hot water in an hour, so it's fast. The same doesn't apply to the cooling process, as you can't dispense more than 3 liters per hour. Water flows out from both spigots at a regular rate. It doesn't take a long time to fill a cup. We like that the reservoirs are stainless steel, which doesn't give the water an unpleasant taste. You won't notice much noise with this unit for the most part, aside from when using the cooling function, where the compressor produces a little noise, but only for a short period. Operating. The dispensing mechanism of the Cosvalve water cooler dispenser is a simplified operation. You have 2 large push buttons below the display panel that you just press to get your hot or cold water. The hot button has a safety lock that you need to slide over and then push down the button to unlock and start the flow of hot water. On the far right, there's a larger round button, which is another safety feature that you can push to deactivate the heating function, so that children won't get burned when they accidentally press the hot water button. Dispensing water in the dark has been made easy too, with the inclusion of LED lights between the spouts which light them up during the night. There's a button for turning on, off the lights placed on the front of the unit underneath the display, which is somewhat convenient, unlike the other units above, which use a switch located on the rear. Besides the basic functions, Cosvalve water cooler dispenser 4EVER has also included an energy-saving mode on this dispenser. It's a nice addition that can help cut down power consumption. You just press the small program button on the panel and the unit automatically reduces its power when it's heating. The downside is that it can lead to a slight delay during the heating process. It would take longer for hot water to attain an adequate temperature. The height of the fill area is 7 inches. That's okay for small to medium containers. Sports bottles and tall cups will have to be tilted to fill. The drip tray is not wide either, but it's detachable for easier cleaning. Loading the water bottle. You can mount a standard 3 or 5 gallon bottle on this unit. Its funnel features a prong that helps reduce spills, which is essential for a top-load dispenser like this. At the bottom is a storage cabinet that doesn't offer much in terms of space. It can take only 8 soda cans or 6 small water bottles. The nice thing though is that it has a light to give you visibility in the dark. Build quality is not bad. The body is made of solid ABS plastic and the reservoirs are stainless steel. The spouts plus the dispensing buttons are sturdy too. So, overall it's a durable unit. Verdict. This Cosvalve water cooler dispenser 4EVER model might not be a top performer when it comes down to cooling water, but it does provide easy operation and a reliable hot water function. If you like a modern style appliance and don't really need very cold water, this is an option you can consider.